Welcome to our channel. If you want to create and run advertisements on Pinterest to promote your products or services, follow these step-by-step instructions for Pinterest advertising. Step 1. Log into your Pinterest business account at business.pinterest.com. Step 2. Click on Ads in the top navigation menu to access Pinterest Ads Manager. Step 3. If this is your first ad campaign, you may need to complete billing setup by adding your payment method. Step 4. Click Create Ad or Create Campaign to start building your advertisement. Step 5. Choose your campaign objective such as brand awareness, video views, traffic, conversions, or catalog sales. Step 6. Name your campaign and set your campaign budget, choosing either daily or lifetime spending limit. Step 7. Define your target audience by selecting demographics, interests, keywords, and placements for your ads. Step 8. Set your bidding strategy and schedule for when you want your ads to run. Step 9. Upload your ad creative including images or videos, write compelling ad copy and headlines, then add a destination URL. Review all settings, then click Launch to send your campaign for review and start advertising. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.